Hello friends, this is the Pure Magnet and today I am going to talk to you regarding personal life. Is your personal life a garbage or a treasure? This is a gift box and our life resembles this gift box. We all have a gift of life. But when speaking about personal life, can you truly say that your personal life is a treasure, or is it ugly, filled with garbage? Many times people say, oh, this is my personal life, I don't want to talk about it. But just think about it. If your personal life is a box full of treasure and transparent, you can talk about it, it can inspire many people. There are two ways to be happy. First is a life full of achievements, a life full of possessions, a life of relationships, and a life of success. There is another kind of happiness that you derive from compassion, humility, transparency, and wisdom. What kind of life would you like to choose? Success can make you powerful, but excellence makes you strong. Resilience. A very important word here is legacy. Suppose death knocks at your door, what legacy are you going to leave behind? How old are you? Are you 22 years old, 32 years old, 52, 102? It doesn't matter. Gyaneshwar lived only for 22. Bhagat Singh only lived till 24. Jesus Christ lived only till 34. And Swami Vivekananda lived only till 39. But all these men left a great legacy behind. You do not need to be Gyaneshwar or Bhagat Singh or Jesus Christ or Swami Vivekananda. You be you. But the question is, after your death, what legacy are you going to leave behind? See, our lives, our personal lives can inspire ourselves, it can inspire other people, the future generation. So we need to think about it, because we are not going to live forever. You and I, we are not going to live in this planet forever. People are going to forget us. But suppose after our death, if for a moment people think about us, about our lives, what are they going to reflect upon? See, if we leave a legacy behind of compassion, of humility, of transparency and wisdom, we can have a better world, a beautiful world. So your personal life, no matter how personal it is, it has an impact not only upon you, but upon other people. So think about it. Yes, we have this beautiful gift of life. Your personal life can be a life of garbage, or it can be beautiful, a life of treasure. Believe it or not, your personal life, it has an impact upon your professional life. You cannot have a garbage filled personal life and yet perform excellently at your professional level. So it is very important that you clean up your personal life. If it is filled with garbage, add important necessary things that will elevate you to a higher level, right? And keep on evaluating yourself. This is very important, very vital, because it has to do with you and it has to do with your legacy that you're going to leave behind. So you have a choice, I have a choice. Is your personal life a life of garbage or a life of treasure? Think about it. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends.